Hello, welcome. Question number 6, WASSCE 2025 Further Mathematics for Ghanaian students. We have two dice with faces number 1 to 6 were thrown together. We are finding the probability of obtaining the sum of 7 or the sum of 11. And probability, which is the compound probability, the or is the union of the sum of 7 or the sum of 11. Or better still, the addition of the two probabilities. Now, if I have two dice and thrown once, it means that I can either get 1 on one of the dice and get 6 on the other one. The sum of that gives me 7, which is the first chance. It could also be 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So there is a need to draw a table to be able to see all the sample space. Let's see how we can deal with that. Remember, you will have enough space to choose from. So you write here dice 1 and right at the top dice 2 or dice 1, dice 2. I don't have the luxury of space. So now the numbers on the dice is labeled from 1, 2, 3, 4, and what? 5, 6. That is for the dice 1 if I'm using the top. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the dice 2. Now, if this one, since they are all happening the same time, if the first one show 1, the chance of this coming will also be, it could be 1, 1, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So inside this play, I can have 1 on the first die, second die 1. 1 on the first die, second, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. So you can see the chances that it could be this number showing followed by this. Those are the various sample space we have. So I'm going to generate the remaining part, which I'm sure you pause the video, generate, and come and meet me back. Alright, so you can see all these sample space will be given. It is 6 by 6. So the sample space total is going to be 36. We have from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 grid by 6 grid. That gives us 6 by 6, 36. Now, the next thing is to find the, you're looking for the sum of what? 7. Let's do it there, or let's come here and go there. So for, let's see, we can let E equals to set of what? Sum of what? 7, right? So the E will be the set. We are looking for 7. So let's begin with 1 plus 6. 1 plus 6 is 7. So let's see 1, 6. So I still have 1, 6. Then let's go to, that will be 2. Let's see, 1, 6, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 3, 5, 2, and 6, 1. Let's write all of those numbers from there. And that will be from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can say that number of E is going to be what? 6. But let's know what the probability of E is going to be. Number of E, number of sample space. That will be 1 out of 6 for the sum of what? 7. Let's see if you have let D equals to the set of sum of 11. Then let's find the element of D, 11. We only have beginning from 5, 5, 6, then 6 what? 5, right? If I want to get 11, this is 12, 11, 11. This is 10, 10, 10, 9. So I have only the set of 5, 6, and the set of what? 6, what? 5. So I can see number of D is also going to be what? 2. What is next? I need to find the probability of what? The D. Then add them together. So right from here, let's see probability of D, number of D, sample space, 2 on 36, and that gives you 1 on what? 18. But remember, you're looking for probability of E union D, which is probability of E plus probability of what? D. This is mutually exclusive. There's no, let's say, intersection of the set of numbers we have for both E and D. So this gives us 1 on 6 plus, so we are going to have 1 on what? 18. I think 3 will multiply this to give us 3, 18, 1 on 18. That gives us 4 on 18, which will give you 2 on what? 9. So the probability of obtaining a sum of 7 or the sum of 11 is going to be 2 on 9. I guess well understood. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come for more.